Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2017 Triumph Street Twin. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2017 Triumph Street Twin, with 19,480 miles, passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and has been upgraded with a Triumph headlight guard, CRG mirrors, aftermarket levers, an aftermarket exhaust, smoke turn signals, a rear fender eliminator kit, an LED taillight, a gold chain, rider footrest, and a shifter. We have replaced the front and rear tires. Powered by a 900cc parallel twin engine, the Street Twin puts 55 horsepower and 59 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 3.2-gallon fuel capacity, the Street Twin has a 150 to 180-mile range. It has a 29.5-inch seat height and a 437-pound dry weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, the Street Twin will need mirrors that meet DOT standards, but in New York, this is not a problem. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts and installed new front and rear tires. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a paint chip on the fuel tank and a paint blemish on both side covers. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days and/or 1,000 miles and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.